people to grasp the true nature of this problem is to realize that carbon dioxide is heavy stuff. You know, it is, maybe it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless, but there is a lot of it out there, and we're putting a lot of it in. I recently was playing around with the numbers of global emissions, scaling those down by time frame, and as best I can calculate it, every second we're putting up 1 million pounds of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
Right.
So that's a lot of weight, and you know, I think if people get that, if they think that, imagine every car spewing out charcoal chunks as it drives along.
Right.
Imagine those charcoal chunks piling up. I mean, I think we need metaphors like that to help people grasp that. This isn't just imagination.
I teach a class with a NASA grant on global climate change, and it's available around the world. And my partner in the class calculated that we're releasing about a cruise ship every 3.5 minutes into the atmosphere in terms of the weight. And I think if they were actual cruise ships in the atmosphere, you know, and maybe we should consider that as an alternative. But, Diane, you have something?
I wanted to follow up on Kevin's point that some of these costs to adapt and to emit less CO2 are costs we're going to have to bear anyway because the infrastructure that we have hasn't been maintained. It doesn't last forever. We're going to be more like the Europeans in any event because there are failures that are ahead, and this is both a problem and an opportunity.
Right. You know, just to prove that God has a good sense of humor, the fact that maybe in the audience have hypothermia today seems a little humorous outside. But